Let's find out the IUPAC name of this compound. First, find the longest carbon chain. This is the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3. Here it contains 3 carbon atoms. So, parent chain is the propane. Next, number the chain to give the substituents the lowest possible numbers. If we number the chain from the left side 1, 2, 3 or right side 1, 2, 3. Both the directions to give the same position to. In this structure, 2 methyl groups are attached to carbon number 2. Therefore, IUPAC name of this compound 2,2-dimethyl 2,2-dimethyl propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane.